Hello everyone, today I'm trying out hard taco shell. I've made the soft taco before, today is the hard one I want to try. Join me while I try this and finally give me a feedback on what you think about hard taco shell. Will you make it in your kitchen for your family? Let me know in the comment section. Please remember to subscribe, follow, like and share. Thank you. Next, take it to the microwave to warm it up. When it is time, you bring it out. Prepare your taco fillings and then fill up the hard taco shells with the filling. Prepare the filling with shredded beef, bell pepper, spices, salt to taste. And also add your vegetables to make up the filling, so it's a function of what you want to use. After filling the hard taco shells, then you put your vegetable to complete the filling. So you can use any vegetable of your choice. You could use cabbage, lettuce, whatever you need to use. So here I'm using cabbage and lettuce to complete the filling. Yes, our hot taco shell is almost ready. Last steps is to sprinkle a little ranch all over the taco, and also you can use ketchup or whatever other dip you need or you like. Here I use ketchup and I use ranch. Looking so delicious and yummy. What do you think? Please type in the comment section, give me your feedback. Please like and subscribe. Follow us for more. Thank you.